Nalibigyak-yak ko dito. Sabi ko, mama, ako ang kaya para sa imo. Dito.
Where do we go wrong? I know we started out alright. This is the I don't want. Just keep saying that I'm way too much. I'm so invested. I don't wanna face the truth.
Dana, we love you so much. So, before ka mag-celebrate and eat, since tonight is all about celebrating her 50 wonderful years, I thought it would be nice to hear.
I've known Pamela since high school, sa Lourdes. So, my wish is good health lang yun. Kabalo ko sa 50, diya na magawa sa mga sakit. So, magdala kayo tani o kining haplas, pero basin siya na inyong mga regalo na ano. So, wala di binayin di hope kami friends ni Pamela together with Arlene and Chinky's good health and happiness. I know she is terribly happy with her children around. So, happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you, Tita Christina. And the next on...
I know it's hard na wala si Enrique and his words. Pero I know he's here, he's happy. Raising 4 kids na wala siya. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. So next is si Tita Chinky. Yeah, let's welcome your mom.
My name is Chinky. So, kabatch ni Pamela back in high school. So, we're not really barkada, but knowing Pamela, she would normally remember me in times when there's an assignment or exams. Ito, kidding aside, Pamela is the type of person not in a complicated and dramatic way, but Pamela is a friend sa high school, even if
Sa tanan, ako si Arlene, they call me China. Anyway, kani si Pamela, barkada with me sa high school. Barkada sa laag ba? Barkada mi sa laag, dayon. Makadungdong ko sa una, balag pangasab-an mi, dugay mi manguli, gikan sa Lourdes. Musa mo, pandid mi mo, ipsot yun mi mula, agid mi. Kaya mo gid ang among ang kalipay. But laag nga di binuang, laag nga kanang ikalipay lang sa among grupo. Knowing Pamela sa high school mi, simple. Grabe ka simple na bata, smiling, happy lang siya. As usual, karon I think wala ginausap sa iyo.
Ma, thank you sa suporta kanan sa amo strength as a mother nga wala pa si Papa, and I wish you a healthy life, healthy health, and happy birthday. I love you.
So thank you everyone for the warm messages and sa pag-speak here sa last minute nga, no? Just to celebrate and share your love to my mom. So, that's it. So, we will kanang proceed na sa
Nasa, pili naman na makuha. Kana card.
Kana, abri yan ang card.
Makuha.